Ensuring your components get the most efficient, reliable cooling is vital to your PC running smoothly. You need a cooler that can provide you with the assurance that it can handle whatever you throw at it, whether it's gaming, streaming, or using resource-heavy programs. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is our Ultra series of all-in-one coolers, AIOs, that look as good as they perform. Our Ultra series comprises of two AIOs, our Toughliquid Ultra CPU Cooler and our Floe RC Ultra CPU and Memory Cooler. Both AIOs come in either 240mm or 360mm versions. They also both feature our amazing Toughfan turbos. The Toughfan Turbo is a PWM controlled high static pressure fan with a max speed of 2500 RPM. The turbo's fan blades are constructed with a high tensile, low thermal expansion coefficient material and designed with a grey coloured liquid crystal polymer. This ensures minimal vibration while the fan is operating at full speed, which help keep these fans running nice and quietly even at higher speeds. Additionally, the Toughfan's sensor is constructed with a metal reinforced motor hub and a second generation hydraulic bearing. The second major feature our Ultra Series AIO have in common is their new LCD screens. Our Toughliquid Ultra CPU Cooler features a 2.1-inch TFT LCD display over the water block, while the Floe RC Ultra features not one but two LCD screens, another 2.1-inch LCD display on the CPU, and a 3.9-inch display over the RAM water block. These screens support real-time temperature, frequency, and performance stat displays, as well as customized images and GIF support. So if you want an easy way to keep tabs on your temps or just add another layer of customization to your PC, then the Ultra Series LCD screens have you covered. These can all be customized with ease via our shiny new TTRGB Plus 2.0 software. The Ultra series both feature universal socket compatibility, so whether you're team red or blue, our Ultra series can support your favorite CPU. Our Ultra series also both utilize high efficiency radiators, featuring a large surface area to help increase cooling performance and exceptional heat dissipation. They also feature high performance water blocks, which help accelerate heat conductivity. And lastly, as our Floe RC Ultra also supports water cooling your RAM, just remember that it does need our specially designed Toughram RC to work. These kits are available in 3200, 3600, 4000, 4400 MHz options. So if you want to upgrade your cooling in a major way, then either of our Ultra Series AIOs sound like the perfect fit. With both options coming with our incredible and silent Toughfan turbos and gorgeous LCD screens over the water blocks, these AIOs make a statement, all the while keeping your precious hardware nice and cool, no matter what you want to throw at it. You can game, stream, or do whatever else in comfort, knowing that your Ultra Series AIO has your cooling needs covered. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still hanging around, check out any of the Thermaltake videos that'll hopefully be up around me, and we will see you next time. I'm sitting on a chair, so I can't really go anywhere, so bye.